Okay, let's select tool and from default library select drill 5. Okay, and this time to use the holes Z levels in the drilling operations, let's choose drill machine holes and drill tab holes auto Z. Okay, here select drilling and here holes to match drill diameter. In the levels and cycle data, set safe rapid distance to 25 and feed down distance to 5. And as in the case of machining contours and pockets, so here we don't have to set the upper and lower machining levels. We only have the Z stock amount, where we can specify the allowance in the Z-axis relative to the lower Z level of geometry. Here select the shoulder and click OK, select all and accept the selection. OK, and Alphacam will only choose those holes that have the same diameter as the drill. OK, now let's select tool, select drill 10, and again drill tab holes auto Z, holes to match drill diameter. OK, all, accept the selection. OK. Okay, in this operation, let's edit this and select packing cycle and set the pack distance to 3 mm and click OK, and we have the packing cycle for drilling holes with diameter of 10 mm. Okay.